Hello guys, thanks for subscribing. For those who have subscribed on my YouTube channel, for those who have liked my videos, those who have watched, I will not stop because I know people go through a lot of challenges outside there with their machines, and you need skills. Some of these things are easy, you can do it by yourself if you are guided. Uh, you are guided with a certain tutorial. That's why I come out to do this practical, hands-on. You get to learn how to do it. If I didn't get a chance to go back, maybe to go to school, maybe that do IT diploma, degree, or master or any course in IT. But following this video, it will guide you. Following this video, the videos that I've been posting, they will help you to get some idea how to do it, how to deal with some technical things on your computer. So today I have this machine here. I have my Dell Optiplex 390. So this computer here, what we are going to do is we are going to do some maintenance. It has dust, some cobwebs. So today I'm going to do some maintenance, preventive maintenance with my blower, with the help of my blower. This blower you are seeing, it produces compressed air for a certain volume, and they depend. Actually, these blowers they depend on the quality. There are some blowers that produce strong air that can affect the computer. For example, this one is weak, but still can do some damage on the computer. So you have to be very careful when you are blowing. So I'll put my blower after connecting it to power. I'll hold these two power supply, these two fans. You can see them here. So this is my system unit. This is the motherboard. These are the cooling fans. This one, they remove hot air from the computer. They remove and then they help to cool the processor, the inside part. This is the upper supply. It also has a fan this side. So I'm going to have this blow of mine. I'm going to touch these two fans so that they don't get affected. Then I start blowing because the air coming from the AC from this blower, it can be stronger and then it breaks these fans. Some of these fans are weak. So I'm going to blow. Actually, when you are blowing, you need a mask. You need to put on a mask before doing this because of the dust. So we shall turn it. I'll get this screwdriver of mine and set it inside here to protect the fan inside. So I'm done with the blowing. I'm done with the blowing of our system unit. It's now clean. At times you need to have a brush where you see it's not clean as you want. You can use this brush to clean inside. So later you get a towel. You can get this towel. Have my spray here. There's a fume cleaner. You can use a fume cleaner to clean on top of the computer, not inside, and you don't spray inside. So for me, I will use this glass cleaner. This is a glass cleaner, though I mixed up. Sometimes you can use the glass cleaner, or you can use some water, and then water mixed up with soap, or you can use liquid soap to clean. So you spray on the towel. After spraying, you can clean on the board, on the computer. Get this cup of mine. Cover up my system unit. My dressing. So thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Just click subscribe for more videos. I promise to try to tackle everything. If you have anything and you wish, like you wish me to handle, please you can put a comment and I'll try my level best to see that I respond back. Thank you. Salute you guys.